Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how to perform vector operations in scientific calculator. Just follow the simple steps. I am using Casio FX991EX calculator. So without wasting any further time, let's start our video. So let's begin. So the first thing we need to do is we need to define the vector mode, that is we need to activate the vector mode. Go to menu, scroll and look for vector calculus. Yeah, it is on 5th. Yeah, just press 5 or equal and your vector mode will be activated. Yeah, that's it, your vector mode is activated. Now you need to define the vector. I'm going with the first vector. I'm taking the dimension as 3. The first represent I, second j and the third k. Just press the number and hit equal and the value will be defined at that particular location. I am taking k as 10, I as 8, j as 9 and 10 as k. So this represents I, j and k. Similarly, we need to define the other other vectors too for performing operations. Now go to options. You can see the first option is define vector. Hit 1. Now go to the other vector. The vector A has been defined. Now we need to define vector B. Hit 2. Similarly select the dimension 3. Just insert the values to the desired location. I'm going with 8 on I, 9 on J and 25 on K. That's it. Now we have defined the two vectors. Now we can perform operations as per requirement. Now you can go to options, scroll down. Now we have vector answer, dot product, angle and unit vector. Now let's perform some examples. Let's go with dot product. Hit 2 and your dot product mode will be activated. Now we need to define the vectors we have already defined. The vector A, again go to options and vector B. Hit equal and it will solve the vectors. This is the dot product of two vectors. Similarly, we can find the angle between the two vectors and also the unit vectors. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. For any questions and queries, you can comment down below. Do subscribe our channel and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification for future updates. Thanks again for watching.